In this Lightroom mobile tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit an evening landscape photo. Here's the before and after the edit. So let's reset this photo to the original. To start, we're going to go into light, and the first thing I want to do is adjust the exposure. So I'm going to add 1.15 stop of light to the exposure. I'm going to bring the highlights down a little bit, and let's increase the shadows all the way to try to bring out some of those shadows in the foreground. And let's move the sliders left and right just to see what effect we're getting. I'm going to add 31 here and probably come down a tad with the blacks. Let's come down to about -5. Go into the curves, and in the RGB channel add 3 points, and we're going to add a little S curve, bring up the top point and bring down the bottom point slightly, just to add a little more pop to the photo. And then in the red channel we can add a point in the center, and we can move up just to add some nice reds into the image, and press done. Next we're going to go into color, and we're going to add some saturation to our image. So around about 39 looks good to me. Go into the color mix, and in the red we're going to add a bit more saturation to our reds, and let's brighten that up by bringing the luminance up too. And same for the oranges, a bit of saturation and a bit of luminance, and press done. Next, go to effects, and we're going to add some clarity to the image. So bring that up a bit, and we'll also add a little bit of dehaze to the image as well. Now you can see too much dehaze, it ruins the image. Same for the opposite side. If you go down with the dehaze, then it sort of adds the fog in. So up a little bit, let's say +12 there. And into our detail, I'm going to add some sharpening. So let's go up to say 61, mask the sharpening off a little bit. And what that does is it makes sure that the sharpening is only applied where there's contrast, i.e. plain areas such as the sky won't be sharpened. So that's ideal. Once that's completed, make any final tweaks in the light. So it might come up a little bit more with my exposure. And then when you're done, you can press and hold the image to see the before and the after. Well, that's it guys, really quick and easy. Hope you liked that, and if you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps with me growing the channel. Every week I post new videos for Lightroom Mobile and for Lightroom Desktop, both presets and tutorials. Thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.